I'm pleased to be publishing this report today, which represents a groundbreaking trajectory in curriculum reform in Wales. It makes some 51 recommendations relating to resource requirements, professional learning, including initial teacher education, school policies and practices, and those types of actions that are going to be needed to sustain this effort, along with a range of stakeholders. What happens in schools, the way in which they engage with and take forward the recommendations of this report is critically important to all children in Wales, critically important to children from minority backgrounds, and critically important to society as a whole. We all know that education alone cannot right the social, cultural and structural factors that underpin racial inequality. But education can take us a long way in developing those ethical and informed citizens of the future. I'm confident that the proposals in this report give the education community the means to take forward this priority area, and I'm looking forward to these recommendations being taken up and fulfilling the ambition of the new curriculum to produce young people and children who are ethically and informed citizens of Wales and the world. Finally, I'd like to thank the Minister for Education, Kirsty Williams, for initiating this review, and to thank those members of the working group who committed to the development of this report. Diolch yn fawr.
I'm so very grateful to Professor Williams and the advisory group for all their hard work in producing this report. It's thoughtful and it's thought-provoking, but most importantly, it gives us very clear recommendations of how we can ensure that the story of our Black, Asian and minority ethnic communities and their contribution and the principle of Cynefin can be captured in our new curriculum.